Your vehicle's engine needs clean air to function properly, just like you need clean air to breathe. But if the engine air filter is dirty, dust and debris can choke your engine, leading to serious performance issues. So, how do you know if it's time to replace your engine air filter? Let's dive into the 6 major signs of a bad engine air filter. Sign number 1. Dirty air filter. The easiest way to spot an issue is by looking at the air filter itself. Locate your vehicle's air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular box near the engine. Once you open it, inspect the filter. A clean air filter should be light in color, almost white. But if it's dirty, clogged, or covered in debris, it's time to replace it. This is a quick and easy check that you can do yourself or ask a mechanic to handle for you. Sign number 2. Reduced engine performance. A clogged air filter can suffocate your engine, restricting airflow and throwing off the air-to-fuel mixture. This results in sluggish acceleration, reduced power, and overall poor performance. Most engines require 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel for the perfect combustion. Without enough air, your engine struggles to function at its best, especially when you're accelerating. If your car feels less responsive, your air filter might be the culprit. Sign number 3. Smoke and fuel odor. A dirty air filter can disrupt the air-to-fuel ratio, causing incomplete combustion in the engine. This often results in dark gray or black smoke coming out of your exhaust pipe. And if that's not bad enough, you might also notice a strong gasoline smell. This happens because either there's too much fuel in the mixture or the spark plugs aren't firing properly. Ignoring this can lead to more significant engine problems. Sign number 4. Poor fuel economy. When the air filter is dirty, the engine doesn't get the right amount of air for efficient combustion. This means your vehicle burns more fuel than it should, causing poor fuel economy. This issue is even more common in older cars with carburetors. But even modern vehicles can suffer from reduced gas mileage if the filter is too clogged. So, if your trips to the gas station are becoming more frequent, check that air filter. Sign number 5. Check engine light. A dirty air filter can sometimes trigger the dreaded check engine light on your dashboard. When the air intake is restricted, the onboard diagnostic system detects an imbalance in the combustion process and sends an alert. While the check engine light can mean many things, it's worth checking the air filter as one of the possible causes. Sign number 6. Strange noises. A clogged air filter can also cause unusual sounds coming from your engine, like coughing, popping, or even increased vibration. This happens because a dirty air filter can damage your spark plugs, leading to misfires or irregular combustion. Ignoring these symptoms can eventually cause your engine to shut down completely. So, if you hear strange noises or feel unexpected vibrations, it's time to take action. Now that you know the signs of a bad engine air filter, don't ignore them. Replacing your air filter is a simple and affordable maintenance task that can save you from costly repairs down the line. Make it a habit to check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently if you drive in dusty or rough conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive insights.